Hi guys! Good morning! Welcome back to my vlog! Here I am again. My name is Joy and welcome to Happy Joy Joy's Walk of Life. So today's video, andito to ngayon sa Parcano. It's my second time ko dito for a summer camping. So andito ako ngayon for para umattend ng summer camping for 3 days, and kasama ko yung kapatid ko from Helsinki and some friends. So it's very rejuvenating. Alam mo yon, yung parang from a tiring work, yung nakakapagod na mga araw, and then you have the time to bond with friends and free ka, wala kang ibang iisipin kundi mag-enjoy, magsaya, and here I am. So right now guys, panoorin nyo yung video from sa umpisa hanggang sa lumabas, and don't forget to subscribe and hi guys. I'm the patient today. So hi guys, finally we're here. So we're finally here. Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning. It's another day and another vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my vlog. As you can see, we're here na. This is our yearly summer camping. Kasama namin yung mga taga Helsinki. So dito, there's room here. Maganda din. But it's different now.
Ay, hello!
Hi!
Princess!
Medyo kita mo. Siyempre.
China all!
Dili pa muna. Pa ko'y wifi.
China!
Yeah, init. Yeah.
Sa mga kuya niya, si Victor ang gusto niya din. Kaya, di ba si Victor, ano din sa kanya?
Gusto ka to dito? Saga?
When you only have one left, what do you say? I have 4 more.
Asa mo na yung utang do tanan mga. Wow, parang ibig tao surprise tao na. Birthday surprise tao na. Oy, nakita ka na. Kanang mga nadi ng happy birthday mama. Basta. Well, bang. Talos papiri. Ay, date talos papiri ka ng bese. Dili ka nang naa na siya, pero ka nang bag ba, rose cut. Garbage bag, garbage. Wala.
Ay, palit si Gino. Ano, beer? Hindi ba lang?
Malikod ba yung bako?
Palit. Expect na di ay. Hi guys! Naa! Kain daw kayo!
Iniwan ko.
Kami diretso dapat sa freezer sa ikaw ba?
Itong sikuan. Agila.
Sa Agila. Si Senior Agila. Ikaw sino?
Let us sing together.
Sing of your love.
Oh, I feel like dancing. It's
Pamalik na. Salamat guys.
Values or principles or standards of behavior na considered important in life. Yun po ang definition, short definition of value of certain behavior na kinukonsider ng mag-asawa as a family as important. Ang dami naman kasing mga important things. Hindi naman pwedeng lahat yun. So kinakailangan i-define yung mga important things. Ayan po ang definition or defined values. One of
right. What about yours?
Abi naka-green eh.
This frog has a panic attack.
Swiss.
Competition. 1, 2, 3, go. Ubi, let me.
Victor's frog is the fastest. No.
Oh, kaon.
Can't even.
Okay, 6 person per team. 6 person per team. No, we don't have. Dili, kamuto ninyo eh. Ayaw na baba. Listen to the mechanics first. You go. Kamu ba?
We can go together. Put it in the car bag.
Don't touch it.
Baliktad na lang ta, Papa. Dito sa likod, budagan mo dito pa rin.
Puno ka tong time. All right, ready?
The water is on the spoon.
Ready? Set. Go.
We'll try our best.
The words are very easy lang. Just to give you a hint, these are verses. 5 members.
Oh, Eunice! Ikaw na ay!
Ito pinakamaayo ninyo.
My goodness!
With all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Saying the signal.
Ready? 1, 2, go!
feet and a light to my path. Your word is a lamp to my feet
And a light to my
and
path.
I yeshed. Wait! 1, 2, go!
Shorten I'm, so it's still okay, acceptable. So, saan na to? Pila na?
Sila na, daw na sila.
Okay.
Oh, group 1. Okay,
Bali na
go!
sa silahan.
Kayang-kaya, bumalaka, kayang-kaya, bumalaka, kayang-kaya, bumalaka, kayang-kaya, sis Bumba!
Hindi mo ta. Uy, magulo ba yung fellowship?
Any events in the Bible that I will mention, and then we're gonna judge it which one is the best. Now, ang
Dapat
criteria
mag-freeze na
for
lang.
judging, ano naman? Ano lang? Asa na to? Noah's Ark. 1, 2, and go! Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,
3,
3,
2, 1, freeze!
First.
Wala! Bias! Bias judging! Bias judging!
Kayang-kaya,
Okay. Tungkol ka sa hubo.
bumalaka, kayang-kaya,
Kaya ano?
bumalaka, kayang-kaya,
Ang
sis
kanina, gihiwa
Bumba!
ng cover is left.
Isuga, uy.
Hindi mo kung i-heal ba i-heal yung si sana.
Camilo.
3 seconds left.
Na.
1. Freeze.
Yan yung katawan yan ko.
Okay, the winner is...
Digital ba yan?
Bumalaka, kayang-kaya, bumalaka, kayang-kaya, bumalaka, kayang-kaya, sis Bumba!
Wait lang. Pwede ba raise to 3? Three naman. Kaya gani.
3 na sila.
Everyone, I wait for this. I wait for this breakfast.
Like is Ryan. Hindi na Ryan. Di ay.
Wait, dapat si Daddy.
Ayun na.
This is already done.
When they
Literal juga gulayat. Rador, di ba ito? Di ba? Tirador.
3, 2, 1. Freeze.
Lay maglihok. Aka ni Maragbo na po yung best actor ba?
Kabaw. Kabaw po. Nasa Warfield ang mga ship.
Nasa Warfield ang mga ship. Dagat tupa atong war.
Okay, stop! Diba twice ko nag-mention about facial expression?
Wala. Pildi na mo. Grabe facial expression na Ryan yun. Wala na.
To group 2!
Yeah, group 2. Ay, group 2. Wait, that's group 3.
Second.
Group 2.
And the first prize goes to Team
One!
And this one! Oh, your last cheer!
Bumalaka! Kayang-kaya! Bumalaka! Kayang-kaya! Bumalaka! Kayang-kaya! Bumalaka! Kayang-kaya! Sis Bumba!
Yay!
Soon. Okay na ko ti dili magkuan. Okay ra ko wala unsa gud na.
Bro, can I get out of this?
Secrets of a businesswoman.
Yeah.
So nobody wants to. Nag-subscribe na mo.
Not yet.
They don't subscribe to me.